Good evening, friends. My name is Abhishek Agarwal, and I'm the founder and CEO of Credit Hydra. Nearly 80% of world population is underbanked. That includes more than 26% population in US and nearly 80% of the population in India. I worked at Bank of America in lending division for 15 years. And as a banker, we always wanted to give out more loans. The problem is, if you never had a loan, you don't have a credit history from a traditional source. And if you don't have a credit history, as a bank, I cannot give you loan. Solution is Credit Hydra. Credit Hydra is world's first alternate credit ecosystem which uses alternate data to create an alternate score and give out loans. Our solution consists of two parts: a scoring engine which creates an alternate score which is comparable to FICO in assessing credit worthiness, and a data collection app which uses a mobile-first approach to create a systemic path to collect all the alternate data, which can be used by the banks in conjunction with the scoring engine to give out loans. To understand the process, let me explain you. I want you to meet John. John is a fresh graduate, 24 years old, just came out of college, has a bank account but never had a loan, and is looking to get a loan. Now, from a bank perspective, he doesn't have any data, so he doesn't have history. But that does not mean it's true. John has been doing a lot of work. He has been active on social media, like Facebook. He has been paying his rent and utility bills for the last 4 years. He has been using digital wallets like PayPal, like Venmo to make payments, as well as he has been using mobile phone for 10 years. That means he has a lot of data which we can use. We can use this data to create an alternate score and then help John to get a loan, making him happy. In our version 2.0, we are going to offline channels like cash payments to serve the unbanked population, which doesn't have digital footprint. The total addressable market size for this kind of service is approximately $200 billion worldwide. That includes $3 billion in US and approximately $2 billion in India. For the unbanked market, which is much bigger in India, that's our version 2.0. Our go-to-market strategy consists of 3 steps: launching our scoring engine, fine-tuning it over a few months, launching the data collection app, and then onboarding vendors. To launch our scoring engine, we have partnered with Halo. They have integrated our API and made their first payment a few weeks back. They are launching in February. They give out starter loans of $100 to $1,000 for 1 to 6 months. And they are using our scoring engine to give out those loans. Over the next 3 months, we will use that platform to fine-tune it. Then we'll launch our data collection app. To market our app, we are partnering with CFSI, whose mandate in US is to serve the underbanked. Once we have approximately 10,000 users, we will start onboarding more lenders. For India, our strategy is exactly the same. The only difference is our different partners. For our scoring engine, we are working with Kudos Finance. For our marketing, we are working with Ahmedabad initiative called Bharat Inclusion, whose mandate is to serve the unbanked and underbanked. And for launching, we have talked to Flipkart and other providers. Our competition consists of traditional and non-traditional players, but we are the only ones who are providing most comprehensive coverage and for majority of the population. In an age where data theft and identity theft is common, our proprietary technology solution ensures that you don't suffer through that. If you want more information, come and talk to us about that. Our team consists of myself. I have 15 years of experience at Bank of America and MBA from Wharton. My co-founder is my classmate from IIT Kharagpur and has worked at Google for 5 years. We are looking to raise $750K for 9 months of runway to prove our model and get 20,000 customers. My name is Abhishek Agarwal, and I invite you to join me in the journey to improve financial inclusion and bring financial prosperity for next 5 billion.